Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start in the Steam client or on the web, open your profile immediately and choose Edit Profile. Once there, click My Privacy Settings so you can control what others see. You do this first because privacy options are grouped here. Making changes early prevents accidental exposure. Make sure you're signed into the correct account. If you use the mobile app, follow the same path. Once done, you'll be ready to change specific activity and game visibility settings. Now change game details to private so recent play and achievements are hidden. This is the central setting that stops others from seeing recent activity. Next, set profile status and friends, list visibility to your preferred level to limit who can explore further. Also disable broadcasting or set it to friends only to prevent live activity from streaming out. You do all of this because multiple settings control different surfaces where activity appears, so cover each one to be thorough. Finish by using View Profile as to confirm your recent activity is hidden. This verifies how others see you. If changes don't appear, log out and restart the client, then check again. Steam sometimes needs a restart to apply privacy updates. If the problem persists, clear the client or browser cache and recheck on another device. Make sure you edited the correct account and applied game details to private. That single setting is often the key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.